Tired of losing files in your Dropbox? You know the feeling. You upload something, then you have to dig through folder after folder trying to find it again. Or worse, you end up making duplicate copies just because you weren't sure how to move things around. It is such a time waster. But here is the good news. Once you learn this one simple move trick, you can keep everything organized in just a few seconds. No more messy folders, no more duplicates. Just a clean, efficient Dropbox where every file is exactly where you need it. So here is the plan. In this video, I will walk you through how to move any file or folder in Dropbox using just a few clicks. It is really straightforward. And by the end, you will wonder why you ever did it any other way. Let us dive in. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is head over to the Dropbox website. Just open up your browser and go to dropbox.com. That is the starting point for everything we are about to do. Once you are there, you will need to sign into your account. Go ahead and enter your email address and your password. If you have two-step verification turned on, which I always recommend, just go through that quick process. Give it a moment to load up your dashboard. There you go. Now here is where the magic starts. You need to find the file or folder that you want to move. Maybe it is a stray document that ended up in the wrong project folder, or a photo album that belongs in a different collection. Take your time scanning through your files. It might take a second if you have a lot of stuff, but just locate that specific item. Once you have found it, go ahead and select it. Just click on the file or folder once to highlight it. You will see it become highlighted or get a check mark next to it. That is how you know it is selected. Now for the actual moving part. You have two options here. You can either click the three little dots that appear next to the file name, or you can right-click directly on the item. Either way works perfectly, so just do whichever feels more natural to you. I usually right-click because it is faster, but the three dots work just as well. A menu will pop up with a bunch of options. Look for the one that says Move. Go ahead and click on that. So now a new window opens up, and this is where you pick the destination. This is probably the most important step, so let us take it slow. You will see your entire Dropbox folder structure laid out in front of you. Just navigate through the folders until you find the exact spot where you want this file to live. Click on that destination folder to select it. If you need to create a new folder on the fly, there is usually an option for that right there in the window as well. Once you have chosen the right place, look for the blue Move button at the bottom of that window. Click it to confirm. You might see a little loading spinner for a second or two as Dropbox processes the move. That is totally normal. And now for the satisfying part. Go check the new location. Navigate to the folder you chose, and there it should be, your file or folder, right where you put it. No duplicates, no mess, just a nice clean organization. And that is really all there is to it. Moving files in Dropbox is one of those small skills that makes a huge difference in keeping your digital life tidy. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.